Hi all, welcome to the knowledge series of Office 365 administration. Today we are going to see one of the major feature of Office 365, that is Microsoft Intune. We will learn how Microsoft Intune helps us to secure your organization data. So these are the topics which we are going to cover. We will understand what is Microsoft Intune, what is Intune basically used for, which devices can Intune manage, and what are the benefits of it, and a small demo how you can apply the policy using Intune. Let's understand what is Intune. So Intune is integrated with Azure Active Directory to control who has the access and what they can access. For example, you can deploy Microsoft Teams, OneNote and other Microsoft apps and devices. This feature basically enables people in your organization to access their devices while keeping your organization information protected with the policies you create. Now let's understand what is Intune used for. So basically the aim of this feature is to help the organization to manage the devices which your employee use to access the corporate data and the applications such as email and so on. We will also see what devices can Intune manage. So Intune can manage multiple versions of iOS, Android and Windows devices. Also, let's see the benefits of Intune. So first one is data protection. So it keeps your data safe based on devices. Choice of multiple devices. It will help the employees to access, enroll, register and manage the devices. Monitor mobile devices and computers. It will create the notification alert whenever there is a problem with any device. No infrastructure required, as it is going to use the mobile devices which are easily manageable from the cloud because of endpoint management. Supports multiple mobile operating systems. So it basically supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS devices as well as Windows Phone devices. Creates barrier. So Intune apps always keep personal data and corporate data separate. Now we will see the small demo how you can manage your devices using Intune. So first you will need to log into your admin account. Once you logged in, you will need to go to the admin center. In admin center, endpoint manager. In endpoint manager, devices. Over here, you can see the platforms where you can apply the policies, like you can restrict or you can also give the limit for Windows, iOS, Mac OS, Androids. We will see enroll devices. So this is the options where you can enroll your devices to your Azure directory. Once your device is enrolled, here are the restrictions policy which you can apply. First is like device limit restrictions and the next will be device platform restriction. So with device limit restrictions, by default your device limit will be set to 5. So you can also set it accordingly. Device platform restrictions, here you can see you can give the restrictions to particular devices, Android, Windows, Mac OS, iOS. So we will just see how you can apply the policy for Windows restrictions. Once you click on Windows restrictions, create restrictions. You can give name to the policy. Once the name is given, you can say next. So over here, it will give you the option whether you want to allow the device, block the device, whether it will be the personal devices, you can also allow or block them, and you can also give the specific version, like let's say after like Windows 10, minimum version should be Windows 10 and even the maximum and so on. You can also apply the policy. For now, we will block the device. Here you can also add the scopes for your devices. Assignment, where you can also add the group for which you want this policy to be applied. Once the group is selected, you can say next. Here you can basically review your policy, what all you have applied. Once it is done, you can say create. So your policy is created. And also once you click on your policy and say properties, from here also you can view details about your policies. Now, as we have restricted the particular group of user who will be accessing from the Windows machine, so let's see how it works. Now let's go to the setting tab, access work and school, connect. So here you will need to add your credentials. So once you add your email ID, you will need to say next. It will take you to your organization page and it will check whether your device is all joined with Azure Active Directory or not, and you can see the notification over here that your organization does not support this version of Windows, as we have blocked the access for this user. So this is how the Intune will work and you can apply the policies. Thank you.